Hey, what's up guys? So I decided to start this vlog series because I have a little baby girl on the way, and I think it might be a pretty cool thing to kind of document like the way that I live in the Philippines. The whole vlog series is just going to be about my new life in the Philippines. I hope you guys continue to watch. So I just got back from getting my hair cut. It only cost me 50 pesos, which is only $1.
Alright, so how do I look, guys? Other than the bags in my eyes, I look okay? Alright, make sure you come to his barber shop here in Puerto State, Paranaque, okay? Alright, see ya.
So right now I'm going to just hop into the shower. I'm actually going to Trinoma, which is one of the malls over here. A friend of mine has a movie screening or something. I got out of the shower, ordered my Grab taxi. I'm on my way to Trinoma. I forgot how bad the traffic is here. Is it 584? Okay. Thank you. Guys, I finally made it here in Trinoma. Anyways, I'm here. I'm ready to go watch the movie, so I'll see you guys afterwards. So I'm in Baclaran, and I don't know if you guys know this or not, but this is like one of my favorite, all-time favorite coffee shops. I forget the name of it. Oh, hold on for a minute. So the name of my favorite coffee shop, So this coffee shop is in and around like Baclaran Church, and you go all the way up to the top, and there's this, like it's like a bell tower. You just kind of come out here, and you can kind of see Baclaran Market. Rojas Boulevard. You probably can't hear me, but there you go. So anyways, I'm just having a nice little cup of coffee right here. It's like Jeep Central right here. One of the questions that I always get every time I'm in the Philippines, wherever I go, is why don't you know how to speak Tagalog? Well guys, I was born in the States and my parents always spoke to me in English, so what can I say guys? One of my goals for 2019 is to learn how to speak Tagalog. I'm on my way to SMBF to meet up with my sister. Oh look, my sister's here. So we're about to eat lunch right now. We're gonna have lunch at Mary Grace. Mary Grace? Yeah. Okay. It's video. So we finally made it to Bicol.
Yeah.
And the little one. So we left Manila 12 hours ago. So now we're gonna take the tricycle here. Okay? This is expensive. Say hi. Say hi to Kuya Jess. Hello. You have it? Okay. Okay. There she is. I miss you, baby.
Miss you too.
Wait, I didn't know you were pregnant.
I didn't.
Oh, look, see? There's my little baby right there. In 2 weeks, right, baby?
Yeah.
2 weeks.